Valdez. Turbano. Rivera. Rivera. Pinasakay si Lino. Bawal na isang gano. Si Lino. Easy. 2 points. Urbano. To Valdez. Valdez. Urbano. Wala. Rivera. Pinasakay sa Riano. Valdez. Valdez.
Lawan. Tawag ka ba? Kapilot ko. Yan eh.
Binaring na Valdez. Valdez. Tira. Wala. Tumyo. Easy. 2 points. Silino. To Rivera. Rivera na may diskarte. Pinasa kay Soriano. Wala. Silino na wala. Pinasa kay Soriano. Wala pa rin. Ito. Valdez. Tinatawid ang bola. Urbano. Valdez. Tumira. Wala. Rivera. Valdez. Yunus-Ted. Wala. Bravo. Rivera. Pinasakay Soriano. Easy. 2 points. By Daniel Lee. Bravo. 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 Bravo rin. Blocked by Almazan. First, personal foul. Mendoza. Urbano. Sa derecho. Pasok. Rivera. Bravo. Bravo. Wala. Wala ka na rin. Bravo. Valdez. Silino. Diretso na. Niliyap na guys. Wala pa rin. Time remaining 6 minutes and 9 seconds. Vera. Bravo. Pagasan. Bandel. Next, sa Urbano. Uy, pinasa kay Urbano. Pinasa kay Urbano. Level to shoot. Hashtag Joe.
Yung.
Rivera. Pinasa kay Soriano to Bravo. Bravo, minus karte. Pinasa kay Soriano. Pinasa kay Soriano. Wala. Bravo. Valdez. Valdez. Wala. Valdez. Setting the play. Substitution number 35. It's good. Rivera. Dribbling the ball. Setting the play. Pass to Bravo. Long to Nawood. Even Besoriano. Bravo again. Nawood. Valdez. Rivera. That's good. Rivera. Dribbling the ball. Setting the play. Pass to Soriano. Back to Rivera. Rivera. That's good. 3 points to Jersey. Number 84. Elvis Rivera. Valdez. Pass to Bravo. Bravo. Still by Celino. Celino. That's good. Timeout. Batas ng Looban. Time remaining 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Score 10-14 in favor of Team Unbreakable. Valdez. Traveling violation. Rivera. Setting the play by Jersey number 24. Rivera. Pass to Soriano. Pass to Soriano. Jumper is good. Bravo. Setting the play by Bravo. Pass to Valdez. 10 seconds to shoot. 15 foul. Foul on Jersey number 8. Number 80. Number 35. Bravo. Pass to Valdez. Valdez. Didn't get Team Unbreakable. Still by Valdez. Layups no good. Foul on Jersey number 18. That is your second personal foul. Valdez. Rivera Montes. No good. Number 16. Still by Team Unbreakable. Soriano. Pass to Rivera. Rivera number 2. That's good. Number 4. Valdez. Dribbling the ball. Setting the play. Pass to Pesperas. 4-3. No good. Losing the ball by Jersey number 18. Number 54, Latu Nawood. Substitution. Bravo. Short. Stepping on the line. Time remaining 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Rivera. Bravo, long to Dilong number 18. Pass to Vesperas. Vesperas, layups. Let's go. Possible play by Team Batas Looban. Rivera setting the play. Pass to Soriano. Pass to Soriano. Long to the 2. Easy 2 points by Soriano. Bravo. Bravo attacks. Pass to Vesperas. No. Only one by Celino. Foul call. Jersey number 18. Substitution. Soriano. Dribbling the ball, setting the lead. Pass to Rivera. 15 seconds to shoot. Rivera attacks. Pass to Soriano. Jumper. It's good. Celino. Still by Celino. Celino. Pass to Rivera. Rivera. One time. Vesperas. Substitution. Time remaining 1 minute and 7 seconds. Soriano. Setting the lead. Pass to Celino. Celino, long two. Let's go. 55 seconds. Vesperas. Vesperas. Attacks is still right there on the right. Pass to Mera. Mera. Long two. Number. 40 seconds. Vesperas. Pass to number 27. Program is good. 30 seconds. Rivera. 25 seconds. Soriano. Pass to Rivera. 10 seconds to shoot. Celino. Rivera. For three. Number. 10 seconds remaining. Mario, no good. Rebound down the breakaway. Rivera, save. Rivera, 10 seconds to shoot. Rivera, pass number 13, Aguilar. Number 16, Rebound by number 3. Number 18, Rivera, Lucy number 24. Pass number 16, no good. Rebound by number 25. Soriano. Pass to Mayo. Let's go. Points by Lucy, number 30. Still back to Mantecanal. Pass to Rivera. Pass Soriano. Soriano layup. Let's go. Rivera. Substitution. Jumper 1-2, Norbury, Limon Light Area, number 17. For 3, Valdez. Loose ball foul, Valdez, number. Number 16, Nanfrasa, let's go. Number 19, it's number 16, let's go. Rivera, serving the play. Pasariano, no good. Hindi mo ba yung team matas ng laban? Torio. Number 16, let's go. Rivera, setting the play, Mike Rivera. Pass Sanchez. Pass to Soriano, Soriano. Attacks there only. Valdez. Valdez not normally. Valdez first attacks. That's already 10 shot by number 19. Number 16. Foul, Mala, Jersey, number 16. First, personal foul, substitution. Time remaining, 5 minutes exactly. First throw, let's go. Second attempt, let's go again. Score 36-22 in favor of Team 1 breakaway. Number 36, down 2, no good. Number 16 in offensive rebound. Let's go. Rivera, setting the play by Rivera. Pass to number 30, Mayo. That's the traveling violation. Substitution up. Number 36, Urbano. Pass to number 35. Valdez, fadeaway shot, no good. Number Soriano. Soriano naman. Still back pass to Norman. Pass to Valdez. Valdez, sidestep, layup. Let's go. Number 24, Rivera. Sidestep, layup. Foul. Foul on Jersey, number 35. Second, personal foul. First attempt, that's good. Time remaining 4 minutes and 8 seconds. Second attempt, let's good again. Like this. Setting the play, Valdez. Pass to number 16, attacks, foul, Jersey, number. Number 10. First, personal foul by Jersey, number 10. First attempt. Rivera, setting the play by Rivera. Pass Soriano. Pass Soriano again. Losing the ball by Soriano. Valdez. Pass to Austria. Losing the ball by Jersey, number 35. Time remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Carvasa. Carvasa attacks. Pass to Soriano. Soriano fakes. Jumper. No good. Masyadong malakas. Rebound by jersey number 17. Pass to Urbano. Urbano pass to jersey number 25. Foul. Foul. Jersey number 16. Loose ball foul.
Gating! Shoot ka! Para ma-point tayo eh!
Number 4. Pass number 26 Urbano. 1-2. No good. Rebound by jersey number 25. Devera. Devera nagkamatay. Pass to Soriano. Still right. Valdez. Valdez. Pass number 16. Side step layup. Forward. Rebound by number 16 again. The score by jersey number 16.
Gating! Gating!
Foul on jersey number 9.
Ah!
Substitution. Number 10 addition. Second personal foul by jersey number 9. Time remaining 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Soriano, starting the play by Soriano. Pass to number 25. Pass to Devera. Devera, no good. 10 seconds, 14 seconds to shoot. Celino, long 2, jumper, that's good. Valdez. Pass to Austria, Austria, side step, layup, no good. Austria again, pass to Valdez, Valdez, no good. Foul on jersey number 27 and number 17. Devera. Number 55. Still Soriano. Pass to Devera. Time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds. Time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds. Substitution. Number 4. Pass to Vesperas. Packing number 4. Valdez. Valdez. Still backing Devera. Devera nagkamatay. Pass to Soriano. Losing the ball. Pass to Soriano. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Vesperas. Pastorio. Pastorio again. Let's go. This is difference by number 27. One minute. 10 seconds to shoot. Soriano losing the ball. Let's go. 55 seconds. Number 16, Austria, let's go. Devera. Pass to Celino. Celino, no good. Celino again. Foul. Foul on jersey number 16.
Gating! Look ka lang, gating!
39 seconds.
Gating!
three. No. 10 seconds. 24. Layup, let's go. 5 seconds. Guevara. Soriano for three. Let's go. Number 15. Easy Philpott, Easy, number 16. Number 18. Easy number 10. That is your third personal foul. Yes. 3 seconds violation.
Tawagan ka din! Palo ka ba?
Rivera. Pass number 30 for 3. No good. Number 24. Missing the line. Open again. Rivera again. Foul. Counted. End of play by jersey number 24.
22!
Substitution. Valdez, serve na play, pass to Vestras. Move on Valdez. Let's go. 3 balls by jersey number 24. Rivera. Pass to Mia. Pass to number 30, Mia. Foul. Call on jersey number 27. Vestras, pass to number 15. Mark to Valdez. Vestras again. Layup, shot, number 20. Pass to Rivera. Rivera. Rivera pass no good. Foul, call on jersey number
24!
24. Valdez, moving the ball by Valdez. Serve the lead. Pass to Tavio. Down to Raul. Little bit unavailable. Rivera spin. Foul. The jersey number 04. Austria, Marco Valdez. Valdez with bola 3. Let's go. 3 points by Dulce, number 4. Rivera. Setting the play by Rivera. Pass to Bravo. Down 2, let's go. Easy jumper by Bravo.
Okay.
Vesperas. Sidestep player. No good. They went to Bravo. Pass to Rivera. Rivera attacks. Rivera. Jumper using the ball. No good. Number 16. Pass to Valdez. Valdez. Pass to number 15. Layup. No good. Number 10. Pass to Rio. Traveling violation. Substitution. Valdez. Pass number 35. Jumper with the scoop by Dulce, number 26. Rivera. Dribbling the ball. Setting the play by Rivera. Pass to number 28. Back to Mia. Mia. Celino. 10 seconds to shoot. Rivera for 3. Foul. Foul on Dulce, number 04. Second personal foul. Score 47-56 in favor of Team Unbreakable. First attempt, that's good. Time remaining 5 minutes and 2 seconds. Second throw, it's good. And third attempt, that's good again. Bravo. Setting the play. Bravo attacks. Masuk Urbano. Urbano. Fadeaway shot. Block by Celino. Foul. On Dulce, number 18. Third personal foul. First attempt at 3. 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Second attempt, let's go again. Celino, pass to Rivera. Rivera, setting the play by Rivera. Losing the ball by Rivera. Still the balas ng laban. Valdez. Pass number 26, long jumper, no good. Foul. For Dulce, number 17. Mejia losing the ball. For Dulce, number 10. Score 49-59 in favor of Team Unbreakable. Valdez. Same ball. 14 seconds to shoot. 7 remaining, 4 minutes exactly. Valdez. 7 on the run by Valdez. Rivera. Bravo, long 2, no good. Dribble by Austria. Bravo. Attacks. Further reloaded shot. Blocked. Foul call on jersey number 3, Cedino. Astria, bola 3, último para Astria. Pass to Valdez. Valdez cross. Valdez still by Rivera. Rivera foul by jersey number 16, Austria. That is your third personal foul. Substitution. Time remaining 3 minutes exactly. Valdez. Valdez. Bravo. 3 seconds violation. Setting the play by Mia. 4-3. Nalwell. Remember Valdez Nalwell. Valdez. Bravo. Pass the play. Valdez Nalwell. Rivera. Pass Sanchez using the ball to shoot. Valdez. Foul. Foul on jersey number 18. Number 18, that is your fourth personal foul. Both team penalty. Goes on, let's see. Rebound by number 5. Urbano. Rivera, time remaining 2 minutes exactly. Big man. Sitting number 35. Number 35. Win ball. Celino, Celino, pass to Rivera. Rivera, pass to Soriano. Soriano. 10 seconds to shoot. Soriano. Still back number 25. Pass to Valdez. Valdez. Look at this one. Foul. Substitution. Rivera. Pass Soriano. 10 seconds to shoot. Rivera. 5 seconds to shoot. Rivera. Shot clock violation.
Hey!
50 seconds. Urbano. Pass to Mendoza. No good. Mendoza again. Layup. No good. Valdez. No good again. Rebound by Timon Megaball. Nagpasa. Pass to Soriano. 24 seconds. Soriano. Offensive foul by Soriano, jersey number 20. 22 seconds. Valdez. For 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 28. 15 seconds. Urbano. 10 seconds. Rivera. 4 seconds. Seconds. Pass to Rivera. Rivera. Easy 2 points by Rivera. Substitution. Bravo. Still with Rivera. Pass to Soriano. Soriano. No good. Follow-ups. Marcelino over the guy. Number 73. Pass to Vesperas. Vesperas cross. Vesperas. Pass to number 16. That's good. Rivera. Starting the play. Pass to Aguilar. Pass to Soriano. Back to Rivera. Pass to Aguilar again. Serino on 2. That's good. Vesperas. Pass to Romo. Number 3. Losing the ball by Jersey. Number 3. Melendez. Rivera. Pass Soriano. Soriano fakes. Pass Soriano again. Foul. Call on jersey number 03. Soriano. Pass Soriano. Aguilar. Aguilar. No good. Driven by number 3. Pass to Bolivar. Vesperas. Vesperas attacks. Number 3, let's go. Silino. Sarang kami by Silino. Pass Aguilar. Aguilar. Soriano, bola 3. Nagel. Rebound by Rivera. Losing the ball.
Kaday, yung pala kaday. Kaday.
Estras. Melendez. Foul. By Thirsty, number 13. Rivera. On the play by Vesperas. Cross. Vesperas. Pass to Mendes. Mendoza. Rivera. Serrano with follows by Aguilar. Still Garcia, pass to Rivera. Rivera pass to play. That's good. Mendoza good. Bravo. Offensive rebound. Atas tanggapan. Time remaining 5 minutes and 19 seconds. Rivera. Pass Soriano. Soriano for 3. No good. Number 16, Austria. Still Rivera. Pass Soriano. That's good. Bravo. Soriano. This is Soriano. Soriano cross, sidestep player, delivered by Austin, pass to Valdez. Valdez. Substitution. Soriano. Aguilar. Number 3, Celino. Rivera for 3. No good. Foul ball under C, number 17 and 13. Aguilar. That is your third personal foul. Valdez, starting the play, pass to Bravo. Bravo, love to Malu. 16 effectively on the school. De Vera. Pass to Soriano. Pass to Nino. Jumper no good. Valdez. Valdez, pass to Torrio. Torrio, no, Soriano. Soriano. Pass to Vera. De Vera starting the play. Pass to Aguilar. Pass to Soriano, losing the ball. Score 64-75 in favor of Team Unbreakable. Valdez, jumper, no good. Minimum penalty is 7. Rivera, nagmana na layups, that's good. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Bravo. Pastor Urbano, Pastor Torrio, that's good. Pass for play, may batas ng looban. Aguilar. Pass to Soriano. Soriano, starting the play. Pass to Vera. Vera, pupukol ang press. That's good. Points by jersey number 24. Valdez. Pass to Bravo. Bravo. That's good. That's good. Bravo. Soriano. Starting the play by Soriano. Pass to Aguilar. Aguilar sidestep layup foul. Call on jersey number 27. 16. Number 16, that is your fourth personal foul. Aguilar again. Foul. Jersey number 04. Time remaining, last 1 minute and 55 seconds. Number 4, that is the third personal foul. Aguilar. Aguilar, that's good. Torrio, this is 2 points by number 27. Time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds. Rivera fakes. Rivera attacks. Still nabala sa laban. Valdez. Valdez there. Pinag-attack the school. Soriano. Pass to Soriano. Soriano. 10 seconds to shoot. Soriano. Pass to Vera. De Vera. Hot time. De Vera again. Aaron play with jersey number 24. Foul on jersey number 27. Aguilar, that's good. Last 1 minute. Urbano. Pass number 26. Number 27, Mario. Substitution. Time remaining 50 seconds. Valdez. Easy turns by number 16. 40 seconds. 24. Timeout, Team Unbreakable. Rivera, Raya Biscuit. 30 seconds.